Welcome guys. Let's do MDEX token technical analysis and price prediction. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Current rank of MDEX is 176 and price of MDEX is 31 cents right now. Market cap of MDEX token is $261 million and fully diluted market cap of MDEX token is $360 million. 24-hour trading volume of MDEX is $7.5 million and circulating supply of MDEX is 826 million and total supply of MDEX is 1 billion. Let me please show you some statistics. All-time high of MDEX was on February 22, 2021, about a year ago, and price was $10. All-time low of this token was on January 8, 2022, 17 hours ago, and price was just 30 cents. And it is available on these exchanges: Binance, UB Global, Gate.io, and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token on Binance exchange or other exchanges, just go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description where you can get these links. Click on these links and register your accounts. After registration, you have to deposit. After first deposit, you can claim these bonuses. These bonuses are tradable. Just trade with these bonuses only. Put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Let me please show you website of MDEX token. It is decentralized exchange token and total value locked here you can see. And let me please show you liquidity, boardroom, and some other important features: mining output, MDEX, application scenarios, audit by Certic, Slowmist, and partners are Huobi Global, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Huobi Wallet, SafePal, Poly Network, Token Pocket, important partners. And this is a website. Please visit this website by your own. And let me please show you first chart. This is MDEX USDT pair daily chart. Current price is at 31 cents right now and it is in this descending wedge. And major resistance is at 49 cents. After that, next resistance is at 97 cents. And after that, 1.67 cents. Once it breaks this, after that, next target would be like this area, 49 cents, and after that 94 cents. But it is very important to break this major trend line, this yellow trend line. Once MDEX break this, in that case definitely price will go up. Otherwise price may be moved sideways until we have to wait until it break 49 cents price area. After that, this upside move definitely will begin. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon as at the same point where this horizontal resistance, it have to break this area. This area is very important to break. Once it break this area, in that case definitely upside rally will start, and this is area is at 57 cents price area. This box area is very important to break. Once it break this area, definitely upside rally will start. Here you can see price break this towards downside, and after that we see a 79% down movement. Price break this towards upside, and after that we see a 47%, 50% move towards upside. That is why this EMA ribbon is very important. And let me please show you MACD crossover towards downside is about to happen, and that is a very bearish sign. If this happens, then definitely price will go down. And we have to wait and we have to watch it very carefully. This zone is very important and it have to hold this zone. And the major support is at now 30 cents price area. And if in any case it loses this area, in that case price can further go down. Here you can see after creating top at $2.78, it is very bearish now, and we see a correction of 88%, which is very huge, and it is perfect time to buy this token. But before buy this token, please do your own research. Let me please show you weekly chart. In weekly, these yellow lines are horizontal resistances, and this is Huobi global chart, and these are our coming targets. Current major support is at 31 cents price area. This area is very important. If in any case price break this, definitely price will go down, and if price move towards upside, it must have to break $1.59 price area. Once price break this area, next target is $2.28 price area, $3.38 price area. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Daily EMA ribbon is very important, and it is at $1.84 price zone. Daily candle closing about $1.85. After that, upside rally will start. Daily candle closing about $1.85 means candles break this EMA ribbon, and after that definitely upside rally will start. And let me please hide this, and let me please show you daily MACD. Daily MACD crossover towards upside, and now teeny green towers are appearing. That means maybe we may see some price up in daily chart, but for this moment we have to wait. And let me please show you CPR levels in daily chart. Let me please show you. Here you can see CPR levels are at the same level where this box area exists, and this is very important. Once candles break this upper trend line and break this horizontal box, horizontal resistance, and these CPR levels which are at 55 cents price area, after that definitely upside rally will start. After that, maybe because this is monthly CPR, after that maybe $0.62, maybe $0.85, and maybe $1 price area we may see in this month. And if price hit this main CPR bearish zone, and it is at 24 cents price zone, I think price can be hit this area, and after hitting this area, I think price will turn in this area will turn into support, and after that we may see that kind of action. I think so. And this area is very important. 24 cents price area, it must have to hold this area. Once it holds this area, definitely upside rally will start. Let me please delete all these things, and let me please show you some fib levels for trading in daily chart. And for this I have to take this tool. Let me please arrange this chart. Currently we are in the least zone. Price have to break this area, 0.58 fib level, $0.58 price zone. Once it break this, next is 0.75, after that $0.89 price zone, after that $1, and so on. These are coming targets. We have to note down these targets. These are the targets. And let me please delete this, and let me please show you fib levels according to the weekly chart. In weekly chart, here you can see it must have to break this area, $2.64 price area. Once it break this area, Next target is $4 price area, $4.09. And after that 0.5, which is very important fib level, and it is at $5.26 price zone. And after that 0.61, which is golden target, and it is at $6.43 price zone. In weekly, it must have to break these horizontal resistances 1.59, 2.28, and after that this fib level, which is $2.64 price area. Once it breaks this area, definitely upside rally will start. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon right now. And if you want to grab these bounces, $9,180 bounces of these exchanges, just go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description, where you can get these links. Click on these links and register your accounts. After registration, you have to deposit. After first deposit, you can claim these bounces. These bounces are absolutely free after deposit, and these are tradable bounces. Just trade with these bounces only, put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.